Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about second derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we apply the formula in here, that should be like this. So the next one, first derivative of this one, we have number 5 secant of 5v tan 5v. This one, we have number 5 secant of 5v square. And now we need to simplify this one. We have tan 5v to the power of 2. This one we have secant of v to the power of number 3. Now we go to second derivative of 3v. So in this one we can apply the same formula in here, and that should be like this. So this one, that is about number 5 secant of 5v multiplied by tan 5v. This one, that is about number 10 tan 5v, and we have secant of 5v square. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we have number 2 tan 5v. Later that we need to do first derivative of tan 5v. We have number 5 secant of 5v square. That's why we have this one. And the last one, that is about 15 secant of 5v to the power of 3 multiplied by tan 5v. So now we need to simplify everything in here. So this one, we have 25 secant of 5v tan 5v to the power of 3. This one, we have 50 secant of 5v to the power of 3, and we have tan 5v. This one, we have 75 secant of 5v to the power of 3, and we have tan 5v. Now this one and this one, we have 125. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.